Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with an early rising show, a coffee, crypto, and cannabis stocks. How we doing out there, family? On pre-market right now, it seems like the cannabis stocks are getting crushed. Well, if you know what we've been watching lately, anyways, Aurora Cannabis failing miserably after being added to the New York Stock Exchange. We're gonna take a look at those and a lot more right here on the early rising show with the Bitcoin block bully. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna let me share my link a couple times. Let me get some people tuned in with us. Let me get some people tuned in with us. Let me see. How we doing out there, family? How we doing out there? Great rising. Anyone is tuning in. Great rising. And anyone is tuning in. Where we at? 208 billion in the market right now. Not looking good for the top crypto. Not looking good for the top cryptos right now. You have to be able to have alternative routes to go when you see the rest of the market like this. That's one reason why I share my information with altcoins and the different cryptos that are actually doing something, whereas this one right here is forming little to none. Let's see. Let me see on the 4 hour chart. I mean, Bitcoin with a double tweezer bottom. Usually that's a bullish candlestick pattern, but as we can see right here, we had a double tweezer bottom and really and an engulfing candlestick. This actually engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, almost the previous four candlesticks, and we still got a negative reaction out of it. So this right here is the route that Bitcoin is going right now. For everyone out there that's, we waiting for Bitcoin to take off. We're waiting for Bitcoin to take off. You're doing all this waiting for Bitcoin to take off. And let me show you what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin pretty much been doing the same thing. It's doing pretty much the same thing it's been doing all year. And then you go and you look at such coins. Let's see. Let's look at Odyssey. Oh, wow. Just to name a few, you know what I mean? People are waiting for Bitcoin to take off, and you got coins. Let me see. What did this do? Let's just see real quick. So this was 422% within a 31-day period. Check this out. There you go. So for a total of 203 satoshis, gave you a return of 422% within a 30-day period. I don't know where else you guys are getting percentages like this out there. Bank, investor, whatever the case may be. But Bitcoin damn sure ain't giving it to you right now. So my thing is, while Bitcoin is moving sideways, my strategy is to gain as much BTC as I can while it's low. Because best believe, while y'all want Bitcoin to go up and all this, really, I really can't comprehend I understand why people want Bitcoin to go up, but look, let it continue to do what it's doing and continue to stack more BTCs, get some more Satoshi. That's the name of the game. Get the shit while it's low. Don't this is my thing. Everyone waiting for the bull to come so they can sit in BTC and cash out in fiat. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to accumulate more BTC. It's only going to be 21 million Bitcoins ever released. You got so many trillions of dollars floating around, and we so much in debt with the United States, Federal Reserve note. Y'all can get them little square pieces of paper if you want to. I want these bits right here. And these bits right here is what are going to secure not only me, but my children and my grandchildren, my lineage on down the line, because this is true digital generational wealth right here. Like I said, y'all can play with the fiat all y'all want, get the Bitcoin and cash it out. I want more bits, BTCs. That's my main goal. So let me see. Let me share this out on Instagram real quick. Give me 1 second, family. I do apologize. Give me 1 second. Peace, power, and prosperity to anyone that's tuning in with us right now. I can't see your comments right now. I have not came over to the chat yet, so I do apologize. I do apologize. There we go. All right. Brother Williams, Panika, G'd up from the feet up. Brother Omar, what's going on? What's good with that Aurora? Oh, that Aurora in the nasty pullback right now. Let's take a look at Aurora. In fact, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Since it's going on 8:30, we'll open up with the cannabis stocks right now. Oh man, look at this. Damn, everything I'm watching right now is beautiful. AE Eternity, Red Post, Key, Go, QKC. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful charts. All right, so let's go ahead and get over. Let's see. First thing we're going to take up a look at now, what we got to be mindful of, we now have Aurora Cannabis Inc. on the New York Stock Exchange. You know what I mean? Let me see. ACB. Wow, there is no more ACBFF. It's just ACB now. Check that out. So let's see. Well, no, hold on. That's the wrong one. I wonder if my charts are still up because I had charts on ACBF. If we remember, let's see. So those might be gone. Hold on, let's see. ACB. Wow. Look at the dump. Look at the dump. And I'm gonna tell y'all what this is right here. This is a perfect example of buy the rumor and sell the news. I keep telling y'all this time and time and time and time and time again. For those that are not long on positions such as Aurora Cannabis, you were supposed to buy leading up until the legalization of cannabis stocks. Well, I mean legalization of cannabis in Canada, and then you were supposed to sell going into that. So, I mean, I can't look at the graph right now. The stock assets not even available for me to look at. Let's see. Damn, is today the first day? Oh yeah, I can't even see anything else. So I believe, let's see, 4 hour, 2 hour. Yeah, we don't even have a chart, family. I believe today is the first day that we open it up with Aurora Cannabis on the New York Stock Exchange because per trading view, I know I can't see anything. So I mean, right now pre-market is trading at $7.47. We closed at 8.69. I'm talking about is dropping 7.40, 7.41, 7.47, 7.44. I mean, classic traders move. If you ask me, classic traders move. You buy the rumor and you sell the news. And I've said this plenty and plenty and plenty of times. The only thing about this is, in this instance, I'm long on the world of cannabis, so, and you can't get it anymore on Robinhood. So I'm holding my positions that I'm in right now. I'm trading with 100% free capital over there, so it matters me not. Well, it matters me little to how low the actual account may go. You understand what I'm saying? Because I didn't put a dollar in there. All I did was share my referral in. So Aurora Cannabis, we can't even chart right now. There's nothing to even go off of. Let's take a look at Tilray. How we doing out there, family? I'm still up good on ACB, going to buy in this. Exactly. There you go. Double down. Double down. My man, he's got the right idea right there. My man said he's going to buy into this. That means he's buying the dip. He's buying the dip. Smart move. Smart move. Let me let this be known right now. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I get financial advice. I'm just a guy who's sharing this information on cryptocurrency and stocks as I see it and as I learn it. You know what I mean? Let me see. Right now, Tilray coming down, hitting that solid. Look at this. Look at that support level that it's hitting right now. We got to see a bounce right there. We got overhead resistance at about 140, 156. Oh, hold on. Didn't mean to do that. Let me go back to Tilray. There we go. Hold on real quick. There we go. So let me see. Where's that overhead at? What's that about 156, 157, and 177. So God damn, this thing keep doing the same thing. So Tilray for the most part ain't going nowhere until we're able to crack these overhead levels of resistance right here. So right now trading at $102 down here. We got to retest these gaps. We got to retest these gaps. But right now, I mean, we hitting critical levels of support right now on Tilray. I feel sorry for anyone that bought into this when it was almost $300. Right now you got some under body support at about $96. We'll say $100 psychologically. You already know. Overhead resistance. Let me see. So overhead, you may find some resistance at about 109, 122, 140, and 157. That's on Tilray. We do have low levels of volume. RSI. I mean, you see in which direction it's going. We do have negative momentum as of right now on the MACD also. Yeah, so we got negative momentum all across the board right now. You see which direction it's going, so I mean, not really too much to talk about. We plotted our line support resistance. That's pretty much all. In fact, now let's see. Let me do a little something more. I'm just adding this. I'm not even really gonna use this for Tilray, but I do like to have my EMA fib. I'm not gonna use it for Tilray though. See, what do I got here? Oh, okay. They already on here. There we go. So you already see what direction we're going on the day chart. We leaving out of that uptrend we was in, and we're starting to correct ourselves. I mean, we'll see what the day has. Right now, we at 106. The market did just open. The market did just open. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of more. What's that? Tilray? Take a look at CGC real quick. Cannabis Growth Corp. Tammy, how you doing, Queen? Peace, 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 peace. How we doing out there? Cannabis Growth also, taking the same dip as the rest of the market, as y'all can see, coming down, finding support at the 100-day moving average. So watch that definitely. We're gonna get over to the cryptos in 1 second, fam. We're gonna get over to the cryptos in 1 second. Let's see. Cannabis Growth right now trading at $38.41. It was 44 cents. So, like I said, the market just opened. So we're seeing a bit of a push right now as the market opens. That's a positive sentiment. Let's see. Came down, we hit support. Let me see where we're gonna meet that overhead resistance at. Let me see. So on the way up, you're gonna meet resistance at about $40. You may see a bit of a pullback at about $42, $46. There we go. Let me see what we got here. What we got here. $41, $45, $50. That's using the fib right now. Those are going to be some of your overhead resistances also. You see, we came down. We actually broke through their line of support at 37.37. Make sure. So yeah, I mean, we've seen this all across the board. Let's see. Let's look at Chronos. Man, all across the board. And I'm telling y'all, all this is buy the rumor and sell the news. That's all we're looking at right now with these cannabis stocks. Buy the rumor and sell the news. Classic move. Classic move. Is it going to recover? Of course it's going to recover. But you got skilled traders that are taking profit right now. These things have been pumping for the last couple of weeks leading up, to the release and legalization of cannabis. And now they're taking their profit. You know what I mean? This is exactly how you want to play the game, fam. You can't just get in something and just expect that, willy nilly is going to continue to go up and I'm going to continue to get rich. That's not how this works. If it was that easy, everybody would have it. That's why people get into the stock. Look, let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something real quick. There's a 90-90-90 rule, and it's a basic rule of trading. It means 90% of new traders lose 90% of their trading capital in the first 90 days. And this is the reason why, because people get in and they don't have a basic concept of the fluctuation of the volatility of the asset that they're trading in. They see stuff going up. I was talking to an individual the other day, and I was telling them psychologically, green candlesticks attracts more people than red candlesticks. People are scared of red candlesticks. They only want to buy green candlesticks, which is ass backwards. But psychologically speaking, you didn't been indoctrinated that green means go and red means stop. You understand what I'm saying? A lot of this has to do with psychology and how your mind works. You have to reprogram it in order to get it accustomed to work with the color codings that we have within this financial department. Because when I look at these, red means go and green means stop. So red means I'm about to go buy some shit, and green means I'm about to go sell it and get it over with. You understand what I'm saying? So you almost got to tweak your brain and twist it reversed everything that they've taught you. Well, I ain't gonna say everything, but y'all get the gist of what I'm trying to say. You know, so I mean, it's all about the way that you play this game. It's all about the way that you play this game and how you comprehend and understand that what you're doing. You know, if you can get a basic understanding, like I said, the first thing you want to figure out just getting into this space is candlestick formation. After that, learn how to plot your lines of support and resistance. And then once you get that out the way, then you can start utilizing your moving averages because you'll have a basic understanding of what the moving averages are. Basically, the lines of support and resistance, but they're not solid, straight, vertical, and none of that. You know what I'm saying? They move with the price action, like what we're seeing right now. Look, Chronos came down and tapped off that 100-day moving average and used it as support. You know what I mean? And bounced off it pretty clearly. So that's what you want to see. Let me see. What other cannabis stocks can we look at? Let's look at Alifa. Same thing. We're gonna continue to see this. Oh, hold on. We're gonna continue to see this. I'm telling y'all that now. We're gonna continue to see this pullback in the cannabis market. Just it is what it is. Great rising, everybody that's tuning in with me right now. Also, man, I want to thank y'all. I still have my weed stock. Good shit. Good shit. Also, for those, I don't know how TD Ameritrade works, but on Robinhood app, you are able to set stop limits and stop losses. I don't know if people know that, but that's something that can be utilized in order to minimize losses or maximize profits. What is this? This is a leaf. I mean, overall, we're still sitting pretty good. You know what I mean? Depending on when you enter. So if we go wick to wick, hey, check it out. So every single plot, every single land that I plotted, and y'all think I just came on here. I didn't come here previously, and you know what I'm saying? I ain't even looked at a leaf for today. I came on here, I plotted my lands of support and resistance. I pulled us from the swing low to the swing high. Damn near every single one. I mean, versus down here where I didn't even, contemplate on going that low. But every single line I plotted on my own coincides with the Fibonacci retracement level. That's how you know that you, for the most part, I mean, got this shit, man. When you can plot levels and then use a tool that not only backs up but clarifies or what's the word I'm looking for? It solidifies my technical analysis. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, we got the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level dead on point. We got the 38.2 dead on point. We got the 50% dead on point. You know what I mean? So that's solid. I like that. What we doing here? So right now trading at $1.70. We closed at $1.85. Pre-market it was at $1.70. Let me see, where's price action right now? Ah, there it goes. You can see it ever so slightly. Let's break it down. Let's get in here. There goes price action right there. What's that? $1.85, $1.84. It don't seem to be moving though. You see, it's moving ever so slightly. It's this little red line right here. It's moving ever so slightly. So, I mean, same thing in the market, man. Same thing in the market. We got a sell off going on right now. So, I wouldn't too much. I mean, way oversold though. Way oversold. That rubber band gonna be a mother with some of these. That rubber band effect, it's gonna be real nice with a couple of these. Now heading over to the world of the cryptocurrency space. I'm glad. I hope I hit everything. I hope I hit everything, or the majority of that which we're looking at. Heading over to the crypto space right now, we're starting off with $208,619,298,239 in the market. We got a 24-hour volume of $10,539,984,022. The BTC dominance right now coming in at 53.8%. Family, you have 2,050 different cryptocurrencies for you to shop with, and over 15,110 markets for you to shop on. Let me see. Coming in at number one, we got Big Bank Hank trading at $6,469, down 0.7%. Coming in at number two, we got Ethereum trading at $202, down 1.3%. Coming in at number 3, we got Ripple trading at 44 cents. That's one of my numbers. Down 2%. Coming in at number 4, we got Bitcoin Cash. Once again, 440, 440.25, 5 and 2 is 7. Down 1.8%. Coming in at number 5, we got EOS trading at $5.37, down 1.3%. I mean, for the most part, family, the main cryptos are all down. Stellar coming in right now at 24 cents. It's up 0.4%. Litecoin coming in at 52.89, up 0.2%. Of course, the United States, Tether US, which is the cryptocurrency equivalent, or supposed to be the cryptocurrency equivalent to the United States dollar, though it's been off in recent days and weeks. Right now, trading at 98 cents, down 0.6% within the last 24. Coming in at number 9, we got Cardano trading at 7 cents, down 2.1%. Coming in at number 10, we got Monero. Monero, the privacy coin, up from that 105 that I told people was a pretty good buy-in. 105 to 195 to 105 is a perfect buy-in for Monero, in my opinion. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude that's sharing this information. And it's just to be taken as entertainment purposes only. Don't take me serious. Up 2.3% within the last 24 hours. Coming in at number 11, we got Tron trading at 2 pennies, down 2.9%, almost 3%. 12, we got IOTA trading at 48 cents, down 0.5%. Coming in at number 13, we have Dash trading at $102, down 0.9%. Coming in at number 14, one of my personal favorites is Binance Coin, trading at $9.76, down 0%. It really ain't moved nothing. Neo ain't moved. It's trading at $16.58. Ethereum Classic right now trading at $9.84, down 2.2%. Neem right now coming in trading at 9 cents, down 0.5%. Coming in at number 18, we got Tezos trading at $1.38, up 1.44%. Tezos has been performing nicely the last 2 days, maybe 3 days. Coming in at number 19, we got Zcash trading at $121, down 1.6%. And coming in last but not least, knocking Doge out of the way, we have VeChain trading at 1 penny, down 3.50. Now, when we go past the top 20, it's a couple of tokens I want you to pay attention to. Maker is one of them. Maker has a very, very, very low coin supply. Very low coin supply. Only 728,000 coins. This thing right here can move fast. It's trading at $672, but let me show you something. Let's see if we can get Maker. There we go. 30-minute. Look at days. All right, so this is Maker, what we're looking at right now, right? We only got the Fibonacci. We only got my chakra indicators right now. So check this out. You see where we came from? Damn near $1,500. We came down. We met rock bottom right here. What, $290 something? What was our low? 297 was the low, right? So you could have got in at 297. What is this? Mid-September. Rocked it to about, what's that? About 26 days later. 142% profit for a total of $452 extra dollars. Because right now we're looking at MKR versus the dollar. I mean, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful swing. You see, we rose up, we cracked 800. What was our high? The high was 807. Came back down, retraced all the way, met support at about 590, 580. And then, you know, we've been going in the uptrend since there. Right now, trading at 685. So, I mean, it depends on what capital you have starting out with, but Maker is definitely something that I would keep my eye on. What are some good Bitcoin wallets to have? Some good Bitcoin wallets: BitPay, Point, Coinami, Samurai. Which I just did a review of Samurai on my page, on both my pages. One on Chicago Crypto, the other one on Cryptonomic Council. That's CRYPTONOMIC, CONSUL on YouTube. You can check that one out. That's more so a page. It's more professional, and it's more so for beginners just getting into the space. Because with the Chicago Crypto Hustle, I got over 200 something videos on there. So for you to find like some basic videos, you really got to scroll all the way back to like my videos. Convenience, the new YouTube channel, just started putting Samurai is a perfect wallet. And the thing about the wallets, you want to have wallets where you control your private keys, your private seed. Coinbase is cool, but you do not control the seed or the keys, so you do not have full control of your cryptocurrency. And anytime they can lock it up, take them, do whatever they want. That's one of the things that I do go into on my book that I have available. The difference between managed wallets and SPV wallets. You know, something definitely that for those just starting off in the space, they want to get a basic understanding of this, you should definitely check out my book, The Puzzle, The Enigma Behind Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency. Along with the $25 donation for the book, you also get a free 30-minute consultation with me. And the thing is, I want you to read the book first before you get the consultation. That way you can get a basic foundation to grow upon, and you can get, you know what I'm saying, really get to some meat and potatoes when you get the consultation. Versus you coming in not knowing something, getting the consultation, and then asking all the questions that probably are, you know, may be in the book. So get a basic understanding first, and then, you know what I'm saying, let's go forward. Let me see. Take a look at a couple of cryptos. QKC right now coming down, finding its bottom. Look, finding support, finding strong support by the 200-day moving average. That's why I tell y'all, moving averages and lines of support and resistance are some of the most important things. No doubt, no doubt. Lines of support and resistance are some of the most important things that you should check out and get a basic understanding of, especially when you're able to utilize the moving averages. You see, we came down, we met this right here, we used this as support, we knocked on this as some sort of resistance. Right now, you get that crossover, that 7-day moving average, or that root chakra crossing over the sacral chakra, or the 14-day moving average. This right here is usually a good indication of a possible buy-in. Also, you know what I'm saying, circumventing or adding on to the fact that we're actually using the 200-day moving average as support. That's a positive sign. Right now, 900. You could definitely see a run back up to 983, 1055. Now, where are we going to meet resistance at? You're definitely going to meet resistance at about 927, 941 to be exact, before you get up to about 980. QKC performing very well. I mean, in fact, you know what? I'm probably going to go enter a position. I should have got in at 9. Um, this is the wraparound I was looking for if you watch any of my previous videos. Right now, what QKC is, you can definitely see it retrace. You see we hit bottom on the RSI. Let me see. Let me see what type of accumulation or distribution we got going on. So yeah, we're coming out of a distribution phase. You can see we went into a bad sell-off, and right now we're turning around right now. So that sell-off is losing in power or is weakening as of right now. So you can definitely see this stay above that 900 and continue to rally. So QKC looking very good right now. Looking at Go. Go, something I called down around 700 Satoshis. I mean, in Go. I've been trading in and out of Go for the past damn near a week now, just to be honest with you. Let me clear some of this up real quick because it is, let me see, let me try to clear some of this up. I don't know if anybody was able to catch that Go. That the puzzle, definitely a lot of good info in there. Not done with it yet though. My man. I emailed you yesterday for the book. Oh, I didn't get the email, Queen. Let me see. I wonder if I put the wrong damn email. Hold on, let me see real quick. I got an email. You know what? I may have left out a number on that email. Let me see. What email did I give? I do apologize. I do apologize for that, Queen. Yeah, brother Eugene. You know, G4 Press definitely grabbed a copy last night, late last night too. What about 1 in the morning or something like that? We was up late. I know I was up trading. Let me see, Cryptonomic Console. Yeah, Queen. I'm not seeing your let me see. This is my incoming. I'm not seeing it, Queen. I'm not seeing it. I'm gonna go ahead and post. Yeah, if you're interested in the book, it's $25 donation via Cash App or cryptocurrency is to your choosing. The book is gonna come via email, and then what you'll do is read the book if you so choose. Then you actually get a 30-minute free consultation with me. Ask any questions that you may need to ask. That's why I say it's best to read the book first, get a basic foundation, then get to some meat and potatoes. You know what I mean? Let me see. So go. Let me see. Let me get rid of some of this. Okay, we got rid of that. Let me see. In fact, let me start all over with go. We're starting a brand new trend now. Let me see. We started a brand new trend now. Let's look at the cycles. Hmm. We don't need this because we're in a clear uptrend right now. I'm not seeing that bottom I'm looking for. Now, what you do want to be mindful of, look at this. Even with Go, we still into an accumulation period. Look at that. That's nice. Let me see. Coming down, just coming down from being oversold. I mean, overbought, excuse me. Let me see. Let me go ahead and put my razzle dazzle on here real quick. Let me see. What are we looking for? So if we want to pull that, let me see. There we go. Hold on. Trying to get his on point as possible, family. I do apologize for my silence. Family, also, if you got any coins you want to take a look at, go ahead and post your coins now. Go ahead and post your coins now. If you got any coins you want to take a look at, go ahead and post them. Also, if y'all can, share this out. Share this video out on social media. Share it out on YouTube. Share it out on Instagram, Twitter, whatever the case may be. Share this out for people that may need to come and get this information. So, do I want to use body to body or wick to wick? Let's use our body closings. Let's use our body closings now. Let me see. If we plot like that, trying to see which would actually, would that be our bottom then? That would be our bottom? Okay. All right. So right now, gold chain being stopped out actually by the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level at 1039. That's your overhead resistance that we're trying to crack over right now. It's getting kind of hard. We can't get past that. We're able to turn this right hand into some sort of support though. I mean, overall, when you look at let me see, day chart. I mean, look at the day chart. We still, even though it's a huge wick, we still what? Just barely past the first 12 hours of the day. You know what I mean? Break it down 4-hour chart. So right now and we haven't even retraced. We haven't even have had a retracement back 50% yet. You know what I mean? This is where you usually want to look for your full retracement to come before the bounce, but it can come prematurely at 23, even at 38 sometimes. You know what I mean? Right now we've come down, but what the difference right now, what we're using is these pitchfork trend lines right here. So you see, I got bullish trend lines posted, which we can either use as support and or resistance. Right now, we're using the green trend line as a form of support. Now, we're probably going to get stopped out, or let me see if we got any type of connection with the heart line. Ah, there we go. I see one. There we go. Yep. All right, that's why you usually want to break this down in a different time frame. So we went from a day back to 30 minutes. You can see the reaction that we're having right now. We came down, we broke the heart line. You can see it tap 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Couldn't even make it back up. But we had two tries right here. These right here are called tests. It retested it, trying to see if it could crack over it. Sadly, it wasn't able to break over, which caused it to break down. But all is not lost right now because we have this upward sloping trend line right here coming to the bottom. You know, we got our underbody support right here. We can definitely see this right here pick us up and continue to carry us on. Let me see. So, I mean, when you compare this to Raven coin, let's take a look at Raven real quick. Ooh, Raven came down and hit our support levels. Look at this double. Hey, check out Raven, 30-minute chart. We got a double bottom right here. Got a double bottom right here. This right here is usually a bearish candlestick formation. See the double taps right here? We came down, we tested, we hit our head, we tested again. We're hitting our head once again. Let me see, what is that trading range? You could probably play this a couple times too. That's easy. What, 9%? That ain't bad. If we continue to trade within this range, you can easily pick up 9%, you know what I'm saying, time and time again right here. That's not bad right there looking at Raven coin. Let me see. Raven coin, for the most part, honoring all lines of support and resistance we've plotted so far. Not only are we being supported by this lower head support line, we also have this upward sloping trend line right here. This blue line, I don't know if y'all can see it clearly or not. Man, my phone is going off. Man, this thing is going off. Let me go ahead and put that on silent real quick. I don't want to interrupt anybody. Family, how we doing out there, family? If you like the information that I'm bringing, if you like the way that I'm bringing, if you can, please hit the like button. If anyone is tuning in right now, if you can, go ahead and state your state and your name and your state, city, country, no matter where you're checking in from. Let me know who's checking in with the Bitcoin Block Bully. If I'm helping y'all right now, let me know. Let me know if it's anything that I need to go back over, if it's anything you don't understand. Always remember, I want to be as interactive as I can. I want to be as interactive as I can with the information. You know what I mean? So if it's something that y'all not getting, just let me know. Let me help you overstand this system. Let me see. Right now, going on 9 o'clock. What time did we come? We came in at 8:30. Oh, yeah, so it's still early. We got a little while. Let's see. Let's move it right along. Let's go take a look at KeyCoin. Let me see. It's 30 minutes. Look at the day chart. There we go. KeyCoin just finding a red bottom. Real significant right there. Just now finding a red bottom. Key is definitely something that I'm watching right now. Trading at only 101 Satoshis. Let me see. Coming down from a low. What, 71? %58 profit within the 28-day period. Can't get this shit anywhere else, family. 28 days, 58%. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see. Where could we be going with keto? Let's see. Where could we be going with keto? Let me see. We was to pull this from. What's that? Body close. Let's pull body to body. Ah, real good, real good. Check this out. So what happened now? And we see in Key move right now as we speak. I'm currently invested in Key. We got the 23% retracement level right now, treating us as our support level at 97 Satoshi. So we can see a run up to about 111. 123 would be a next. 135 after that. Let's see. That would be what, 9, 10%, 20%, 33%, 50%. This is your trajectory for a Key right now. Definitely something that you want to keep your eyes on, family. Key is definitely, remember I said it here too. A lot of them calls, I don't think people be understanding the information that's over here on this page and on this channel. I've called many a coin right here live, way before the breakout ever happened. Everyone's waiting for Bitcoin, all these other main coins. Let me show y'all one more time. While the coins we're looking at are all blasting off and seeing significant gains, let me show y'all some. Let me show you what the top 20 coins are. Absolutely nothing. Red, blood, dying off, slow death, killed. Get him while they low, though. You know what I'm saying? You always kick a man while he's down, ain't it? Don't you go in the man's pockets while he's sitting there on the side of the street bleeding out? This is the best time for you to come and scoop some of these coins up, in my opinion. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment. So let's see. Let's change this around. Let's see who's up. We got Decree coming in 27%, Chainlink up 19%. Bitcoin Diamond, who I said the other day that $1.79 was a definite good buy for anyone that was watching my live. I constantly tell you about Bitcoin Diamond. I did a whole review on Bitcoin Diamond and why I'm long on it right now. And right now, we see it's already up. Number 3 on the top runners in the top 100, up 14.10%. Genesis Vision is another one trading at $15.86, up 11.23%. We got Polymath coming in, up 7.82%, only trading at a quarter right now. This thing right here is a quarter. How many quarters do we go spend for those of you that's in the hood going to buy cigars? You know what I'm saying? Think about all the cigar money you be spending. Quit smoking bud for about a week and go put all that bread on cryptocurrency. You'll thank yourself in the long run. You know what I mean? You'll be surprised with a week's worth of not smoking weed to get you in, you know what I'm saying, in the future to come. I'm just messing with y'all though. Y'all already know I got a nice way of spending things and trying to give some type of financial, I don't want to call it advice, but just another way to look at things. Gene checking in from this hot ass Arizona, but the weather is cooling off a little bit now. What's going on with you, bro? See, thanks for checking in with me, man. So I mean, these are your top runners right here. Let's see. Look at MFT mainframe. Mainframe also creating a red bottom. Very, 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 very positive sign. Let me see. Check that out. Getting stopped out almost. What's that? That's 131. Yep, we get right 132. Check that out. So right now, mainframe hitting critical levels of resistance right now, overhead resistance. All mainframe got to do is knock this, and we've been watching mainframe since last night. Me and a couple of people within my private sector. We've been watching mainframe since last night, and it's been stopped out at 131, 132, 133 since about looking at it about 12 midnight my time. You know what I'm saying? So right now, getting stopped out at that same level. If we can open and close on top of this, oh my God, you're gonna see something happen. Let me see, 4 hour. So check that out. Check this out. That's why you always want to break these things down. So check it out. On a day chart, you know it's looking like it's wicking through right now. But when you break this thing down 4 hours, look at that. We've gotten on top 2 hours, even open and close 1 hour, 30 minutes. Right now, we're using that as support. You see, this is the reason why you have to open up these candlesticks, family. You see, it's showing us something totally different as of right now, right? This is exactly the reason I tell you have to look at different time frames. They're going to give you a totally different story. You got to be able to look at this in more ways than one. So right now, this is significant. We have turned it into support right now. If it holds this, let me see what I can do here. There we go, family. My fault for being so silent. Sometimes when I be charting this, I be in a little zone trying to make sure I got everything correct. You know what I'm saying? This right here is money. You know what I mean? So I definitely want to make sure I got everything correct. So you can see right now we got stopped out by the heart line right here. That's what made us break down. We tried to use the this level of this upsloping trend line right here, some sort of support. We weren't able to sustain. We broke down. Now we were able to get picked back up by this lower level of support right here, which is now what's carrying us up. We have cracked back above. What's this? A day chart? Break this down 4 hours. So yeah, we're starting to use that as some sort of support right now. So mainframe looking very good. This is MTF versus Bitcoin on Binance. Let me see. 140. Definitely gonna meet some sort of resistance around there. 146, though it's slight. Definitely about 156. So let me plot that 146 then. 140, 146, 156 is your overhead resistance on up until, what is this? 169. 169. Now, lower head support, what are we looking at? A lower body support, 121. Is that where it's at? We got 121. We got 103. You might as well say 100, psychologically speaking. 97. What do we got down here? 82. That's your overhead and that's your underbody right there for mainframe. Right now, trading at 131 Satoshis. You do have overhead resistance at 140, 146, 156, heading on up to 170, around 170s respectively. And lower body support, you do have 121, 103. Let me see, even before we get to 103 though, realistically, we got something at 113 also. 121, 113, 103 on down. If we break out of that upsloping wedge at 96, I'm 96. Please take a look at TIO trade token. All right, we can take a look at TIO real quick. Positive volume still coming in right now. The mainframe, we got good volume coming in. You can see where we were in a bit of a sell-off, and right now we're losing that. We're losing that sentiment right now. We are going towards being overbought though, so you definitely want to keep TIO. TIO not available. Always remember, family, this is Coinbase. This is TradingView. It doesn't do every crypto. It only does the most notable cryptos. TIO, if that's the ticker, is not available for you to look at. I do apologize. Let's see. Take a look at BCD. So real significant BCD hitting the green bottom right now when we look at the fib cycles. Let me see. Good volume coming in. I'm talking about great volume coming in right now. Had a nasty sell-off. Man, look at that wick though. Look at that candlestick. Beautiful. I've been talking about BCD since they was what, $1.79, $1.08, something like that. I can't constantly just, man, check this coin out over and over and over again. I put the jewels out there. If anybody seems, saying wants to double back and check out a couple of the coins that I bring, you know what I mean? Yo, no doubt, no doubt. Crypto Dojo, what's going on? Peace, 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 Queen. Crypto Dojo. I ain't seen you here in a while. Let's see. Let's look at Yo. Let me see. And for those that are available in the book, I will post my Cash App. Also, if anybody just wants to donate for the information that I bring, you know what I mean? For anyone that may want to donate for the information that I bring to the table. Let's take a look at Yo versus Bitcoin real quick. Let me see. Now I plotted Yo a couple of times before, so let's take a look at it real quick. In fact, I did a call on Yo not too long ago. I don't know if anyone remembers. I did a damn good call on Yo. Let's see. Okay, so we broke overhead resistance. Let me see. We did test. There we go. We tested our 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level after breaking 23.6. We weren't able to hold, broke back down. Now we are using this right here as some sort of support. Yo-yo looking real good. You can see yo-yo run to about 585, 673 easy. 585, 673 easy. I'm calling it right now. Trading at 508. 585, 673 easy with yo-yo if it's picking up traction. Let's see. RSI, slightly above the 50%. ACC coming out of a distribution time. And what's significant about it is you can see we had a sell-off right here, but we didn't get hit significantly as far as price action goes. We, for the most part, was able to sustain and just move sideways and consolidate while we revved up and got ready for this next run right here. So yo-yo looking real good right now. Yo-yo looking real good. Back on the block. Yeah, good shit, good shit, good shit. I'm gonna post my BTC address also for those that like to donate in BTC. Because this is the thing that keeps me going. What y'all don't understand, especially with me going live right now. And this is what I usually have to tell people. When I go live, I am not able to trade. So if I'm telling y'all, check a look at this one, take a look at that one, unless I'll be like, yo, check it out. Let me stop real quick. Let me go look at this and let me trade this. Other than that, I'm not able to trade these trades that I'm telling y'all about. I mean, I don't know if y'all know that. So when I'm giving y'all setups, like, man, check this out. Look at this coin. This one right here is going to be doing this. You should get in here. You should get out here. I myself am not able to do them same moves that I'm telling y'all to do. So while some people may be reaping monetary benefits and gains from the information that I'm sharing, as I'm going through it, you know what I mean? I'm not able to share that information. I mean, I'm not able to get in on the majority of those calls myself unless I really, really, really stop what I'm doing and then go ahead and, make the move. But in the majority, when I'm giving people this information, I'm not able to bust no moves, man. I just do this to y'all, I just look for a little bit of reciprocity every once in a while. The amount of information and what I give away for free, man, priceless. Y'all don't even know. I swear to God, a millionaire gonna find me. A millionaire investor, trader is gonna find me. Not even a millionaire. It could be a thousandaire. Somebody's gonna come across my page. And I'm putting it in the ethers right now, really manifesting with my tongue. I'm telling y'all what's gonna happen. Somebody that's in the trading has got a significant amount of capital is gonna come across my page, see the shit that I'm sharing, and gonna put me up. He's gonna have me sign all type of agreements where, look, all that shit you doing on Facebook and Instagram, cut that shit out. You ain't giving no more of that shit away for free. That's how it gets in the business world. Because the information that I'm giving y'all right now, I'm telling y'all, people ain't giving this shit away for free. Signal, man, people charging hundreds of thousands of dollars for Signal. You gotta think about it. I just did a call on Go that brought back over 54% gains. In fact, let's take a look at it real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what a big time investor would have did with this. So Go, I called it what 700 satoshis. My buy-in was 690, between 690 and 705. So we'll round that up and say we got in at 700 satoshis, right? Let's see. We'll say we got in about right here. Let's say we got that is high 78% within a 4-day period. I don't know why I had it stretched out. Within a 4-day period, we was able to get back 78% profit. You know what somebody with $100,000 capital or $50,000 account would do with a call like that? 78% on $50,000? Come on, man. Dang, hold on. Was I timed out? Am I still live? I might be. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm still live. Okay, my apologies, family. I didn't know if I was still live or if I blanked out or not. But man, I just want to reiterate that. Let me see. Do we got any more requests? Any more coins you want to look at before I get out of here? Any more coins you want to take a look at before I get out of here, family? Well, nah, I got about 15 more minutes. Let's see. What else I got over? Let's see. Look at red post real quick. Oh, yeah, I got all type of TA over here. Let's see what we got going on over here. I know we're coming out of a distribution phase. Man, I know how to call these things, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful call. Yeah, red phase looking very, very, very good right now. I'm talking about beautiful call. Man. What was Gold Chain trading at? Damn, Gold Chain at 1,000 Satoshis. Yep. I'm breaking that bottom. Let me see. Pundy X. Ah, Pundy X ain't moving nowhere right now. You ain't even got to chart Pundy X. Just buy Pundy X. You ain't even got to chart it. Just buy it. That overhead resistance I got at 27, we ain't cracked it yet. We ain't cracked it yet. So Pundy, you can just buy. We got lower at look, we got lower support at 21, upper resistance at 27. Let's see what else we got over here. AE 1998. Yeah. In fact, yeah, I got to get to these charts. Let me see. DGTX just paid for the. Okay. Millen. Okay, let me get that real quick. Let me write that down real quick. Right over to you. It's also going to come with a free, not even free. It's going to come with an extra candlestick cheat sheet. It's got candlestick formations on it. Let me write down your email real quick. That's MILONTAX at .com. DGTX. I'm gonna send that right over. Oh, DGTX, that one we can't see on here. Okay, let me see. It's that Digitex futures, right? This one, hey, I'm gonna tell you something. That's a damn good coin. I've been watching it. That coin right there has had a lot of movement. What did you do? Cash App or did you do the did you do Cash App or did you do Bitcoin? Queen. Let me know which route you took. Up 4.39%. This thing's been running. This thing's been running beautiful. Look at it. This thing, Queen. This right here, goddamn good pick. Let me see. OMG. Nice. Okay. Check out OMG after this. Let me see if I can find some charts on this. Oh, okay, yeah, it's on Mercatox. Let's see. A majority of the money's in Ether. Let me see. There we go. So, I mean, pretty much like the last time we looked at it. We're meeting that same. Let me see where we getting stopped out at. Yeah, I can't do much with this, man. I hate this. Man, I hate looking at this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would, you know what I would do with Digitex? What I would more so go off is historical data. I know it's so crazy. I know how to read this off numbers now. I don't even need charts. Let's see. Number one, I want to look at my volume and my market cap. We see we're getting lower levels of volume right now. We did have high volume come in. We peaked. We peaked into the millions. Right now, we're back in the 100,000s. Let me see. So opening at 12, closing at 12.21, opening at 127. Yesterday was 134. Before that was 144, 128, 127. Let me see. 130, 140, 90, 90, 90. So the last couple of days, at least since the 14th on up, we've added another digit. Yeah, because everything from September 23rd on up has been, you know what I'm saying, 3 cent pretty much. Is this, are we looking at this in USD? Is this USD? It's got to be USD, right? Yeah, we were trading at 13 cent right now. So we came all the way from 3 cent. Holy shit. Y'all know what type of flip that is? From 3 cent to 13, 14 cent? Holy shit. Man, I don't think y'all. Well, that's almost a 4x. That's almost a 4x on your money right there since September 23rd. So this right here, definitely, and all you've been seeing is it grow. It started at 3 cents, shot up 4 cent, 5 cent, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. In fact, it went from 7 to 9 to 14, 13, 12, 11, 12, 14, 13, 12. So yeah, this right here is still in a good cycle right now. Okay, no doubt, no doubt, no. Let me see. Okay. All right, I'm looking now, Queen. I don't see the confirmation as of right now. Go ahead and what do you follow me on Instagram or you follow me on Facebook? Whichever one you follow me on, go ahead and inbox me your contact number real quick. Inbox me your contact number. Also, check your cash out, make sure it went through because I'm looking now and I'm not seeing it. But if you got a confirmation over there, screenshot it and send it to one of my inboxes real quick. I'm looking over here. I'm not seeing a confirmation of it yet. Let me see. OMG. Let's take a look at OMG real quick. I know we have OMG on the charts. OMG. Let's see versus Bitcoin on Binance. Let's see what's going on. OMG coming out of a distribution period. Okay, here's what I want to see. Now, see what I'm using right now. I love this. This is like a touchscreen laptop I'm using, where I can just touch the screen and open and blow it. I like this. Um, hmm. There we go. There we go. It just came through, Queen. Thank you for the extras too. It just came through, Queen. I just received it. Solid. I got you. Let me go ahead and plot this OMG real quick. There we go. Let me see. All right, so OMG right now turning 519 as its support, looking real good. 23% Fibonacci retracement level. Let me see. You're definitely going to meet overhead resistance at 545. If you can crack that, you got more overhead at 566, kind of solid right there. Let me see. Where's your support level supports at? You got support at 511, 501. You would roughly say 500 psychologically. What's that? 480? No, 490. So go ahead and just plot these real quick. So underbody support, you got 513, 503, 490, 503, 513. Currently trading at 524. Let me see. Let me change this real quick. I don't like how this looks. Hmm. Why is let me see. Trying to see why this damn price bar is red. I don't want it to be red because it's looking like the rest of the colors. Let me see. Hmm. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I'll fix it on my own time. I'll fix it on my own time. I'll fix it on my own time. Let me see. All right, so that's your underbody support. Let me see. Overhead resistance. Let me see. You got strong resistance right here. What is this right here? About 531. You got 531 and 540 you got to beat before you touch 545, which some of you like, oh, 545, 45, what a big difference. You'll be surprised. I think a crack 540 and drop back down. Let me see. Once you beat that, you can come to some more resistance at about 556 before you even get to 566. And even below that, did I plot that right? Hold on. Yes, I did. 550. So right now, trading at 524, you're going to meet overhead resistance at 531, 540, 550, 556. You do have a mixed emotions down here as far as the volume goes. Right now, we're having a bit of a sell-off. Nothing serious to see. We're coming out of distribution phase as far as the markers go. Let me see. Where's our 50 on the RSI? So right now on RSI, you're meeting that 50. You could bounce off of that and continue to rally. On my OMG, I mean, not looking scrubby or nothing. Seems we hit our bottom. We're bouncing off of that now. The last couple of days have all been positive. So if we could continue this rally right here and continue to support and honor these lines of support and resistance that we have plotted, I hope you wrote them down. You can definitely see OMG continue to rally. So with that being said, family, it's 9:30. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I want to thank everyone that tuned in with the Bitcoin Block Bully for this early rise show with coffee and crypto and cannabis stocks. If you can, go ahead and hit the like button one more time. Share this out. For anyone that may need any type of assistance, always remember I do have a book available for those just starting up in the world of cryptocurrency by $25 donation. That's the lowest donation, but it does come with a 30-minute free consultation with me. Yours truly. You can ask me anything. I suggest you read the book first, then do the consultation. That way you have sort of a foundation built and you can really get to some meat if you want to get as far as cryptos, whatever the case may be. You can also find me on YouTube. I mean, excuse me, my fault. You can find me on Facebook at Amir Hodari, AmirHodari. You can find me on IG at Chicago_crypto_block_bully. That's Chicago Crypto Bully _ separating all of the words. Also on Twitter, you can find me at Chicago Crypto, the number 4. And I also have another YouTube channel, not just Chicago Crypto Hustle, but check out Cryptonomic Council. In fact, let me show you that real quick. Let me show you my other channel real quick. This channel is very, let me see. Oh, is it Crypto Council? My fault. It might just be Crypto Council. Let's see. No, it's Cryptonomic Council. Here he is right here. This is my other YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm real big on Pundy X on here. And you can see 2 weeks ago, what is Bitcoin Diamond and why am I interested? I did a full out review on Bitcoin Diamond and why I'm back long on it. It's a 31-minute video. You can check that out. I got a lot of updates on Pundy X over here. This is like damn near like my Pundy X channel. Just to be honest with you, look, it's probably about 10 videos over here on Pundy X. So definitely follow this right here for anyone who may be starting out. Thank you, family. Peace. No doubt, DG King. No doubt, no doubt. I want to thank everyone that did tune in with me today, man. Without y'all, I ain't doing that. So I appreciate y'all allowing me to bring this information to y'all. I hope y'all use it to y'all advantage. Don't just sit here and get the information and whatever. Use it to y'all advantage. Go ahead and check a bag, man. To the next video. This is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.